Are you looking for an easy, simple, pan-seared seared tuna recipe? This video is for you. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you how to cook Ahi Tuna. This is really simple, yet masarap. So you can use any fish of your choice. Ang ginamit ko lang dito ay Ahi Tuna. And then sa lista ng mga sangkap, nasa description box yan, paki-check na lang. So first off, over medium-high heat, in a pan, mag-heat up tayo ng oil. While hini-heat up natin yung oil, i-season natin yung one side muna ng isda. Lagyan natin ng salt and freshly ground black pepper. At kapag mainit na yung oil, i-sear na natin yung tuna season side first, katulad ng nakikita nyo dito. And then, i-season natin yung other side ng salt and pepper. You can also add smoked paprika if meron kayo available. Pwede nyo ring gamitin. So for me, I like it well done. So niluto ko siya mga 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Pero kung gusto nyo ng rare, then adjust the cooking time. At kapag ito ay luto na, iset aside lang muna natin ito. So sa same na pan, nag-add lang ako ng oil, konti. So add oil when needed, okay? Or if needed. Then, gisahin natin yung garlic. Be careful not to burn the garlic kasi hindi siya masarap. Hindi maganda yung lasa. And then, nag-add rin ako ng konting soy sauce muna and water. Kumbaga, dinideglaze ko dito yung pan for more flavor. Okay? And then, yun na nga, sa lista ng mga sangkap nasa description box yan. Nag-add ako ng brown sugar, jalapeno because I love spicy food. Optional yung spice, yung jalapeno. And then, ground black pepper. Next, ay kapag after kong tikman yung sauce, nakuha ko na yung lasa na gusto ko, I added back the fish sa pan. At niluto ko siya for another 2 to 3 minutes over medium heat. At kapag nakuha nyo na yung lasang gusto nyo, sa guideline naman ng recipe na ito, yun na nga, yung ingredients na ginamit ko dito, measurements nasa description box. So, transfer to any serving dish, pour in the sauce, and it's ready to serve. Don't forget to cook rice kasi kailangan nyo talaga ng rice dito. At least for me, kailangan ko ng rice. I love white rice. Alright guys, that's all for today's video. Sana i-try nyo ang recipe na ito. And if you do, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, you guys take care. Please share the recipe or the video. Bye!